So the link to this job is automatic.com/work with us, and you can find the link in the description below this video. All right. So this job is strictly remote. The jobs on this website are strictly remote. You can work from anywhere in the world, and they are currently hiring. It's a very good job. This company is in charge of WordPress, Tumblr, WooCommerce, and many more. So you are very there's a certainty that you can get as many jobs as you want, and they have so much perks: professional growth, open vacation policy, generous parental leaves, wellness support, sabbaticals, and many more. And this isn't just your typical work from home, but you can read more about them by clicking on the links on the website. But disclaimer: please protect yourself from job scams and don't respond to fake employment offers for automatic from third parties. Okay, so okay, there are different departments. We have engineering, who are very more devoted to code bases and um, creation of web. Then we also have other departments on that you can also apply to roles. Underneath them, we have designers that design the product. We also have business development and marketing department, and they also have rather happiness engineers in charge of trust, safety, and all that. Then people and legal, finance, and all. Okay, so HR, then pressable, currently no open position in this. So, all right, let me start from for engineering group. There are so many roles. There are back-end software, front-end engineers. We have softwares. We have engineers. We have developer advocate, DevOps, data engineer, data scientist, machine learning engineer, and quality engineers, a whole lot of them. Then they have a lot: iOS engineer on the website, customer success engineer, growth analyst. While for designers, we have brand and creative designer, senior product designer, and senior product designer for mobile. While for business development, head of revenue, marketing, vice president, creative and communications, WooCommerce, revenue partnership managers, account um, executive expansion, and agency partner manager. Then for the HR or business and people, we have head of creative talent development, business unit CFO, director of revenue accounting operations, director of technical accounting and reporting, director of GTM finance, WordPress, and FP&A, HR wrangler, senior accounting wrangler, then happiness engineers, support engineer, WordPress VIP, then trust and safety. Okay, then the final one for product department, director of product, Woo checkout, Woo commerce checkout, and multi-channel. So let me click on one. I feel like happiness engineer. Me, I love happiness, so, and I love helping people a lot. No one does it better than our happiness engineers. Okay, I want to apply as an happiness engineer. So let's click on this and let's see what happens. So I'd love to apply to the role of happiness engineer. Wow, beautiful. So as an happiness engineer, you love helping people. Yes, I love helping people. So whoever it is that loves helping people should apply to this role of happiness engineer. All right, so you have transforming publishing on the web is no small task. So your goal should be the goal of the company is to build relationships based on trust, resulting in happy, passionate, loyal customers and colleagues. So they do this by listening to customers' needs and guiding them to the fullest use of products they offer. They are also looking for people with right mix of compassion, writing skills, and technical knowledge to get the job done. So all right, in a typical day, you have to be an active member of a global team that provides 24/7 support via live chat, tickets, one-on-one screen share sessions, and forums, helping people use automatic products which include WordPress.com, WooCommerce, Jetpack, Tumblr, and many more. troubleshooting, investigating creative, detailed bug reports, and building a community of support by sharing knowledge and helping team members around the world. So, being a happiness engineer requires you to be made to high proficiency with WordPress, HTML, and CSS, experience providing technical support to customers via live chat, tickets, telephone, or forums, excellent written and communication skills with a knack for taking technical language and making it understandable for the general public, solid ability to identify to accurately document technical issues, patience, grace, and a great sense of humor, solid ability, an intense intellectual curiosity, and an eagerness to share knowledge with others. The ideal candidate should have created three or more WordPress websites, have experience installing and configuring WordPress plugins and themes, is adept at troubleshooting technical issues, has experience creating bug reports, has experience providing technical support to customers. So, all right, about the complaint, they are the people behind WordPress.com, WooCommerce, Tumblr, Simple Note, Jetpack, Long Reads, Day One, Pocket Cast, and more. And they believe in making the web a better place. So they have so many companies, and we have 1,900 automaticians in 96 countries speaking 120 plus different languages. So they are interested in diversity, they are discrimination free, and they love this. So you can apply for this role. But once you are ready to apply, make sure you have your credentials ready, and then make sure that you tell them about yourself, your experience, and many more. Or let's see what happens if you click on the apply button. So apply for this role. Once we click, it will definitely take us to the dashboard, and there it is. You fill in your name, email, phone number, resume should be uploaded rather, and tell us your rate of experience. Mine is I've used WordPress before. I've posted content to a site owned by someone. I've set up. Okay, I've done with plugins for myself. So I should do customization. I should do a bit of number four. Okay, but then whatever it is for you, you can just write it, be honest, and apply. Don't get discouraged, even if you don't have the experience, you might get lucky. Okay, so just check all these boxes that you are comfortable with and the softwares that you know. All right, then you also answer the rest of the questions, then you upload. Where did you hear about this position? Please tell us. All right, so I've come to the end of this video, and I'm happy that you stayed with me to the end. So this role has to do with HTML and CSS. This job has to do with being a little bit techy. All right, so you can click on other roles on the automatic.com, and that would also help you. Other roles. You can also be an engineer, other engineer, or other form of engineer. You can be an human resources manager and all that. So thank you for staying with me to the end of this video. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, click on the subscribe button now. And if you've not turned on the notification button, click on the bell button, and so that you can get updates from YouTube when I release my next video. And please tell your friends about this channel so that they can subscribe to it. Thank you so much for staying with me to the end of this video, and see you in my next video. Bye.